10-minute at-home workout for beginners. Hi everyone! Welcome to my health and fitness channel. Today I'm excited to share a quick and easy workout routine that you can do at home, no equipment required. This workout is perfect for beginners who are just starting out on their fitness journey, or for anyone who wants a quick and effective workout on a busy day. We'll be doing 5 different exercises, each for 30 seconds, with a 10-second break in between. We'll do 2 rounds of the circuit, for a total of 10 minutes. Exercise number 1. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides and raise your arms overhead. Jump back to starting position and repeat. Exercise number 2. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Lower your body down into a squat, keeping your knees over your toes and your back straight. Return to starting position and repeat. Exercise number 3. Push-ups, modified if needed. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up to starting position and repeat. Exercise number 4. Lunges. Start with your feet hip width apart and step 1 foot forward. Lower your body down into a lunge, keeping your front knee over your ankle and your back knee hovering above the ground. Return to starting position and repeat on the other side. Exercise number 5. Plank. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line. Hold this position for 30 seconds, engaging your core and glutes. Take a 10-second break, then repeat the circuit from the beginning. Remember to focus on good form and to listen to your body. If any of the exercises feel too difficult, feel free to modify or take a break as needed. I hope you enjoyed this workout and found it helpful. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.